Kapag nasa chart kayo, palagi kayong maghahanap ng mga pattern like head and shoulders pattern, inverted man siya or hindi. Same with Adam and Eve, inverted din, and then rising wedge and falling wedge. Okay? So, dumping to. So, dapat magkakaroon to ng rising wedge in the attempt na umakyat. So, hindi siya nag-create ng rising wedge. So, wala siyang balak umakyat agad kasi lalong humina yung momentum and nag-create siya ng head and shoulders. Okay? And within this head and shoulders, okay, within this head and shoulders, meron pang mga small head and shoulders pattern. Okay? So, ito yung big head and shoulders. Okay? Dahil meron silang mga common na neckline, which is ito. Okay? Yan. 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 Pag tinanggal ko to, makikita nyo na itong pattern na to ay meron ding mga smaller head and shoulders pattern. Okay? Katulad nito. Okay? Neckline. This is the shoulders, neckline, head, kasi mas mataas siya, neckline, and then shoulders. Nag-break ang neckline, dump. Okay? And then, nag-attempt siya ulit umakyat. And if you can see here, this is another head and shoulders pattern. Neckline. This is the shoulders, neckline, and this is the head. Kung nakita nyo, ang taas niyan. So, mas mataas yung high niya. And then, the shoulders. And ito, nag-create lang ng lower high. So, yan ay head and shoulders, kaya bumaba ulit siya. Okay? So, continuously yan, nag-create ng mga head and shoulders pattern. And inverted na head and shoulders pattern din. Okay? And then, kung titingnan nyo to, mag-zoom in kayo, this is another head and shoulders pattern. Diagonal lang siya in shape. Ayan ang neckline. Okay? So, makikita nyo, yan ang common nila. Neckline. Diba? So, this is high, higher high, lower high. Head and shoulders pattern. This is the shoulder. This is the head. Neckline, shoulder, breakdown, going down. Okay? Diagonal lang. Pero ang chart natin, punong-puno ng mga patterns. And ang head and shoulders, kaya yan sobrang effective is because normally, kung aakyat ka, gagawa ka ng higher high and higher lows. So, kapag hindi ka gumagawa ng higher highs at mas lower ang high na ginagawa mo, indication yon ng paghina ng mga buyers. Kaya nagda-dump sila. Okay? At nag-create pa siya ng mga lower lows. Ganon.